Make Do with Mrs. Murphy. We got some fun things I want to point out over here on these two creatures. They have something in common, is they were both cuffs used to make the mouth, so then the mouth is then open on the creature. They're really, really fun to make with a friend. So this was actually a collaboration with my son. He did some of the sewing and I did some of the sewing. And this was actually only one sock that made, you can see the sock, here's the foot of the sock down here, and then it would come up to here was a knee high, but we cut this part off and used it to make the arms on it. And then had fun with this hat sort of part that is toe socks. And we cut the cuff off of the toe sock, and then that's what created the mouth for this creature. So that was really a lot of fun. Fun to collaborate with someone, share the responsibility or the good fortune of sewing with multiple people. So you can, a whole bunch of people could work on making a sock monkey for someone. So put all your love into it. And this one really had a lot of fun. This one isn't quite done. I really think there's some potential here for the eyes. And this one also has wings made from little ankle socks, and stuffed them a bit, but not too stuffed, so that there's some flexibility there and also some comfort and love from that. And here's a bead added on to make a fun earring part. And so, not sure where all this one's headed, but it's going to be someplace fun, I bet. So, there's these two creatures. I just want to share those with you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.